In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by accessing App Store and downloading an app that you wish to use as your new default one. In my case, Chrome. When your new app is ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select Apps and click on your new downloaded one. Now, if your app can't be applied as default, you will see Default App section over here. Then click on it. Apply your new app by tapping on it here, and when you're ready, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!